Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fifth question. We are going to calculate what is the area of the triangle by using of vertices, and also we are going to use Heron's formula. So what is meant by Heron's formula? Heron's formula by which parameters we are going to calculate? The side length and the semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is nothing but half of the perimeter of the total perimeter of the triangle. So we are going to calculate half of the perimeter, that is called semi-perimeter. It will going to denote it with capital S, and we are going to use square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This formula we are going to use here. So let's going to triangle ABC. So here this is the point 1 comma 1 and this is 1 comma 4. Let's take 5 comma 1. So these are the triangle. Let's going to take, this is our triangle. Then what is the length? So let's going to calculate. For A, capital A, opposite side is small a. For capital C, opposite side is small c. For B, opposite side small b. So these are the lengths, the distance between 2 points. So these are the vertices. Let's going to take, these are the vertices. Now we are going to write what is the formula and for what is the distance between 2 points. That is, distance between 2 points is, what is that? Distance between 2 points, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. And what is the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter capital S will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So this is semi-perimeter, half of the perimeter. Then what is Heron's formula? Heron's formula for what? Heron's formula for which one? Area of the triangle. So Heron's formula, capital A will be equal to area of the square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So square root closed. So this is the formula for the calculation of area of the triangle. Now first of all we have to calculate what are the distances, and we are going to substitute semi-perimeter. Finally we are going to calculate the what is the area of the triangle. So now first one, what is the distance? Let's going to take, this is A first one side, that is BC. So what is that? Square root of x2 minus x1. So BC. So let's going to take, this is x2 y2 x1 y1, whatever it is. Coordinates are A, for these coordinates 1 comma 4 and 5 comma 1. So that is x2 y2 and x1 y1. So x2 is what? 5 minus x1 is what? 1. 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is what? 1 minus 4 whole square. So this is the value. Let's going to keep as it is. 5 minus 1 will become 4 square plus here what is this? 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 whole square. Let's going to calculate 16 plus 9. We will get it as 16. 4 square is 16 and 3 square minus 3 square or 3 square, both are same, that is 9. We will get as 25. Then square root of 25 is 5. 25 is 5. Then what is our next one? So second one, what is that? B. So B will be equal to, B here, B will be equal to A and C. So AC line segment. So for B, what are the coordinates? B will be 1 comma 1, 5 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 1. So square root of, what value we will get? Square root of x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 1 whole square, 5 minus 1 whole square. What is this? Square root of 5 minus 1, 4 square plus 0 square, that is square root of 4 square. Square root we are going to cancel 4. So this value A will be equal to 5 and B will be equal to 4. Then what is third one? So third one is, let's going to calculate C, that is AB. AB. So AB will be equal to square root of So what is here? B, 4, 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 1. So AB. So what is that? 1 minus 1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, that is x2 x1, and y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 4 minus 1 whole square. So what value we will get it here? So here what value? Square root of 1 minus 1 0 square plus 3 square. So 4 minus 1 whole square is what? 3 square. So square root of 3 square, square root will going to cancel. This is 3. So what is this? 3. So equal to 3. Then what is semi-perimeter? So let's going to calculate what is semi-perimeter. S will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So A is equals to what? 5. B is equals to what? 4. C is equals to what? 3 by 2. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3 will become 12. 12 by 2. So what value we are getting? 12 by 2. So 2 ones are, then 2 6 are 6. So S is equals to what? 6. So here area, by using of Heron's formula, area will be equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So that value, square root of S is equals to what? Here 6. 6 minus A will be 5. B will be 6 minus B will be 4. Then C will be, so 6 minus 3. That is the value, square root of 6 into 6 minus 1 will become is what? 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. So that is 6 into 2 3s are 6. What value we will get? 6 square or square root of 36. We can write it like this. Square root will going to cancel. Then what is the value? 6. 6 square units. 6 square units. So this is the area of the triangle by using of Heron's formula with the given coordinates. So this is the way to find the area of the triangle. Thanks for watching and try to watch the next one also. So here in this module we are continuing our next question. So whatever simply they have changed the coordinates. What is that? A 2 comma 3, B minus 1 comma 3 and 2, C 2 comma minus 1. So same as it is, formulas, everything is same. Then we're going to continue our solution. So here we're going to calculate what is the A, first one. A will be equal to, for A opposite this one, this is small c, this is B. A will be equal to what? So that is here 2 comma minus 1 and minus 1 comma 3. These are the coordinates. B will be what? 2 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 3. Then C will be what? 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 3. So x1 y2. So this is the distance formula. A is the distance and that is A is equals to BC, that is square root of x2 minus x1. So x2 is what? Minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 1 whole square. So y2 minus y1 whole square, that will be equal to square root of minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. So minus into minus will become plus, that is 3 square, that is 9 plus 4 square, that will be equal to 9 plus 16 square root of 25, that is 5. So what is A? 5. What is the value of A by using of this? That is equals to 5. Now we are going to calculate second one. So let's going to calculate second one, that is B. Small b will be equal to AC. AC will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1, 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus of minus 1 whole square. So what value will get? 2 minus 2 will become 0 square plus 3 plus 1 whole square, that will be equal to 4 square root 4, that is equals to 4. So this one will be equal to 4. Then what is the third one? So third one is third side length. See, the length will be equal to AB, that will be equal to square root of, so what is that? y2 minus y1. So here x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 square. So here we are getting minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 whole square square root plus 0 square. So minus 3 whole square will be 9. That will be equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. So we got it as 3. So C is equals to 3. Then what is semi-perimeter? A plus B plus C by 2. So what is A here? The A value will be equal to 5. B value will be equal to 4. C value will be equal to 3 whole divided by 2. So 5 plus 4, that is equals to 9. 9 plus 3 will be, obviously it is 12. 12 by 2. 2 ones are, then 2 6 are. So here 6. So semi-perimeter we got it as 6. Now we are going to calculate what is the actual area. So area will be equal to area by using area of the triangle by using Heron's formula, that is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So square root of S is equals to what? 6. 6 minus A is equals to what? So here A is equals to 5. Then B is equals to what? 6 minus B is equals to what here? 4. Then 6 minus 3. So here what value we will get? 6 into 1 into 2 into 3. So 6 into 6. 2 3s are 6. That will be equal to square root of 36. 6 square. You can write here only 6. So area of the triangle with the coordinates, area will be equal to 6 square units. 6 square units. So this is the value. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.